Okay.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Now, if you click on home, okay, I will need you to scroll all the way down.
Okay. This.
Okay, click on more services. Back. Yeah, click on more services. Okay, scroll all the way down.
Okay, this API management.
Yes, click on API management.
Okay.
Okay, click on create API.
Okay.
Click on next. Okay, you can label it anything you want. You can label it maybe charge.
Okay.
Click on next.
Okay.
Okay, awesome. Right now, you see charge below. Okay, I want you to click on edit.
Okay.
Okay, you see a small arrow below the word copy. I want you to click on that arrow. Okay, scroll all the way down. Okay, and select restrict access to trusted IPs only. Select that.
Okay.
Okay, and I want you to key in this IP address. Okay, 182. Key in the IP address in the blank space. Yes, 182.
Okay.
Dot 16.
Okay.
Dot 103.
Okay.
No, you need to put a full stop after 16. So it's 182.16.103. Yes, and then finally 0.16.
Like this.
Yes, correct. And click on confirm. Okay, and I want you to enable spot and margin trading. Enable spot and margin trading. You see the
Okay.
yes, correct. All right, now scroll just a little bit up. Okay, and I want you to copy the API key and the secret key to me. Okay, you can copy it directly into the Zoom chat, direct to me. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Simon, I think you have to re-enable the Zoom chat because it was previously disabled.
I will give to Mr. Ron, atau Mr. Via WhatsApp. I think I can. Can I?
Just send in the Zoom.
Oh, Zoom chat. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Mr. Simon, you need to re-enable the Zoom chat.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm rather.
Okay, it's enabled now. So just paste the two keys in the Zoom chat.
Okay, I will out first to stop chat. Okay.
Select the meeting group chat. Okay.
Okay, I've sent the chat.
Okay. And your secret key also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Finish.
awesome. Now, I want you to go back into your account.
Okay.
Okay, scroll up and click on save. Okay, verify.
Okay, finish.
Okay, once all of this is okay, you go into your wallet again. And you go into the Ethereum, showing your Ethereum.
Okay. Yes, this is my Ethereum.
Okay, awesome. Right. So now what I'll do is I will connect into the system. All right. So I will need to disconnect it from the company first. Okay. It will take a while. probably 1-2 minutes. Okay, so while we are waiting, maybe you can explain to the people here, okay, that what they are seeing is live. Okay, they are seeing the system connect to your wallet. Okay, and the system will be connected in a while. Okay, and they'll be able to see with their own eyes how the system makes profit.
Oke ya teman-teman, mungkin yang dari Indonesia ini saya lakukan langsung live ya, tadi mengkonekkan ya dari IPE ya, dari Binance saya dikonekkan ke tadi ada link IP dari Mr. Simon tadi sudah dikonekkan dan ini sudah finish ya teman-teman, pasti ya kalau yang sudah biasa trading. Dan ini sekarang akun Binance saya sudah terkonek dengan AI yang dari Mr. Simon. Oke.
Okay, awesome. Right. So now it's connecting. Okay. So in a while, your system, the system will be connected to your personal wallet. Okay. And you should start to see a little bit of profits. Okay, in your wallet right now. So I believe your let me see, your balance is 0.5379. Okay. Tell your people to notice this balance 5379.
Yeah. Oke ya teman-teman, ini saldo saya di ETH dan memang saya khususkan saldo malam ini hanya di Ethereum ya, ini adalah 0,5379186 ETH ya. Ya ini bisa di screenshot ya supaya teman-teman bisa nanti untuk pembuktiannya. Oke, Mr. Simon.
Okay, so I think okay, it's connected already to your wallet. Now it's what? 0.5. Oh, look at that. It increased by a little, right? 0.5443.
Oh, ini sudah connect ya? Ini sudah connect nih.
Yeah, this is already connected, so you make
already
slight profit already.
Do it maybe 4 or 5 times.
Yeah, so you can tell the people, okay,
Yeah,
you see the balance increase right in front of them. You haven't finished talking and already your balance increased the Ethereum.
Ya oke teman-teman, ini saya tadi belum selesai bicara, saldonya sudah naik ya, tadi 52 sekarang udah 54, 0,54 ya. Belum selesai bicara, saldo sudah nambah. Ya, oke.
Okay, so
fantastic. Okay.
Okay, so what I'll do, hold on. Okay, let me just share my screen real quick. Okay, and then we can show the live demonstration up here. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so I believe everyone can see my screen right now. You're able to see my screen, Harry?
Yes.
All right, awesome. Okay, so today everybody is very lucky. Yeah, those who have left the meeting early is their loss. Okay, because right now you're seeing right in front of your eyes, okay, the live demonstration of how our system creates profits in a few seconds. All right, so Harry, please tell the people to notice how fast the system will analyze all the trades, okay, and create profits. Okay, don't blink. Yeah, tell people to notice properly.
Okay.
Okay, so now the system is already showing the analysis. Okay, it's analyzing all the different pairs, and the risk factor is assigned by our AI system. First trade done, second, third trade done. Okay, now whoa, look at that. Okay, from 0.544 now is 0.5509. Okay, now just now we started. You saw this was connected to your account. This balance, yes, it increased by a little. Now it increased a little bit more, 0.550. Okay, now I want you to remember we traded Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Rune. Okay, so there are 3 different trades in a triangular arbitrage. Okay, with 3 different tokens: Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Rune. Right. So the system will select the one with the lowest risk, because you see there's a lot of other risks like 5%. Okay, that is assigned by the AI, right? 5%. This one is like 4%. Okay, most of them are nearly 4%. Look, this one is 8%. Yeah, so the risk is very high. So the system will select the one with the lowest. Okay, 3.4. Okay, now you may see that right here. Okay, there's a risk factor of 2.63. Okay, this is lower than that, right? But usually, okay, at the point of execution, okay, sometimes this 2.63 can become 5. Okay, so during the point of execution, this 3 tokens was the lowest risk. Okay, so maybe you can explain that, Harry.
Ya, oke. Teman-teman, jadi ini Robert ini menganalisa ya. Jadi ini ada beberapa pair yang dengan risiko tinggi ya. Ada yang 5%, ada yang 6%, ada yang bahkan yang 8%. Nah, yang diambil itu adalah yang risikonya terendah. Jadi ini bisa kita lihat, ini yang diambil ya. Ini resikonya tadi ada yang 0, ada yang 3%, ini 2%. Ya, ini ETH pertama transaksinya adalah ETH ke BTC ya. Kemudian dari ya BTC ya ini run ke BTC buy ya. Ini tadi sell, ini buy ya. Kemudian dari run ke ETH kembali ya, ini sell. Dan ini trade execute ya, ini menghasilkan tadi dari 0,544 ini sudah menghasilkan profit menjadi 0,55 ya, ini dengan profit 3,27%. Yeah.
Okay, so Harry,
okay,
now we have a balance of 0.5090. Okay, now I want you to go into your Binance account. Share with everyone right now. Share with everyone.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait.
Oh, look at that, 0.5090. Okay,
amazing.
All of this in a matter of seconds. Okay, all of this in few seconds. Okay, it was not even 10 seconds, right? So I want you, Harry, to go into home. Click on home.
Okay, wait. Yes.
Okay, now click on the logo at the upper left.
Upper left.
Yeah, there is a Binance logo. Click. Yeah.
Okay.
No. Click. You click cancel. Okay, there's a logo. Click on the logo. Don't click on the text box. Okay.
Yeah.
Now click on more services.
More services. Okay.
All right, and then now click on orders. Do you see orders?
Okay.
Okay, click on trade history.
Yes.
Okay, see, all of this is here. Rune, Ethereum,
yes.
Bitcoin. These are all recorded in the trade history. Okay, so
You'll
all
see
the trades are real. All the profits are also real. Okay, everything is recorded in the trade history.
Wow. Amazing. Wow.
Excited.
Super.
Luar biasa.
Yeah. Okay, anyone see? This is my trade history. It's real. This is my Binance account. It's real. Oh, wow.
Very awesome.
Just in a second.
Yes. So yesterday we did it with Mr. Bahar. No, I think not yesterday. I think two days ago we did it.
2 days ago.
Yeah. So today we're doing it with Harry.
Maybe anybody not clear, we can repeat this process.
You want to repeat the process?
Okay, just cheating. Okay.
So
Can we get the recorded, sir?
Yes, we can have the recording. Okay. Now, look, when we show the video of the live trading, okay, it's basically just a video. So now you are looking at it live. Okay, you see it happening live right in front of you. Okay, when we say in 1-2 seconds, we are not joking, right? We are really showing that the system is making profits in 1-2 seconds. Okay, and everything is recorded in your trade history. You can analyze the trades, you can see the price, you can see the time.
Yes.
Okay, I want you to notice something, Harry. Do you see the timestamp? You see that 21:15:53.
Okay.
Do you see the timestamp just at the right the right side? You can see 2024.
This is first transaction only 2 seconds. 2 seconds, and then no. Yes, right.
You see, all of this is not even 1 second. This is millisecond. Millisecond. You see how many trades happen, and then towards the end, it's 2 seconds to complete the trade.
Yes.
So
right.
Very fast, right?
Very fast.
So we can see the live as a member or only in the Zoom?
Okay, so this is how our system creates profits for you on a daily basis. Okay, When we connect to your wallet, okay, we are showing the system, okay, running, okay, and how it creates profits from the crypto market. So every time I show the live demo, right, I have to disconnect it from the company's accounts, right, to show how the system actually works. So we are able to do this on anybody's wallet. Okay, so if R9, if you have a Binance account, okay, with 0.5 Ethereum, I can also do it in your wallet, no problem. Okay, and you can keep the profits. Tomorrow you can go and get coffee. Okay, with the profits.
Okay.
Awesome.
Brother Harry.
Thank you. Yes.
Discuss with your teams, and now time to move.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is time, and we have a wonderful opportunity in our hands. So we no need to lose.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, awesome.
Okay.
Okay, so I believe Rowena had a question from earlier. Her hand is still up. Can I confirm, Rowena, you have a question for me?
Yes, please. Yeah, I have a question about the SEC.
Okay.
Is the audit started already, or it will start when the launch will be here?
Okay, we are doing an internal audit every single day. Okay, every single day, our finance department is tallying up all the numbers to ensure that the amounts are correct. And as and when the SEC requests for our accounts, we will have to submit it to them. Okay, they usually do it on a yearly basis once the financial year has ended. Okay, all the companies that are under the SEC's purview will have to submit their financial accounts to the SEC for verification, okay, to ensure that all the accounts tally, okay, and we need to do this with an accredited auditor, okay. We cannot just do it ourselves. We have to have an accredited auditor to do this for us and submit our accounts to the SEC. Okay, unless something happens, okay, then we will have to do it on a more frequent basis. Okay, probably they will ask us to submit every quarterly or every month. Okay, but for now, okay, we are doing it on a yearly basis once the financial year has already ended. So I hope that answers your question, Rowena.
Yeah, because we cannot see any audit report as in yet in if we search the thing that you have shown us, does it reflect there for the first audit? Did they make the first audit already or not yet?
No, not yet, because the company is not yet one year old.
Okay, that makes sense then. Okay, so I thought they have done now, and then after a year they will do it again. So not done yet. So that makes sense because we cannot see any report in there, any information about the report. So if that one gonna happen after a year, do we also see, is it transparent, the audit report online, or what's gonna happen on the audit? Can we see it there, or do you publish it, or the SEC publish the report? I don't know. So I wanted to make,
The SEC does not publish any reports. Okay, the SEC they don't do this for all for any financial institutions. Okay, if nothing happens, okay, which means everything is okay, right? So if something happens, you will definitely know, right? Because recently, right, the SEC charged Binance in court with so many charges, right? So if something happens, you will definitely know. Now, the audit report, when we release it, all right, we'll have to see what is our obligations at a point in time. Okay, if we need to publish the audit report, okay, because accounts can be very sensitive. Okay, do you want people to know how much you have in trust? Do you want this information to be released to the public? Okay, you may be okay with it, but a lot of people may not be okay with all of this information, with your name, with your account balance, and when you are giving out all of this information, okay, you are bordering on privacy. Okay, so we need to be very, very careful when we release. What
I mean is just to give people a sense of trust, right? Just publish the date, the date of audit, or how was the audit? When is it good, excellent, or bad? That's what we need to see, right? Not the information about the financial situation, right? No, we don't need those things. We just need to see the standing of the company. That's what we all need to know, because I have been in so many company that it was burnt and I lost a lot of money. That's what I mean.
Yeah,
Please understand.
we get it. We get it. Look, this is very common worldwide. Okay, so we always tell people, right? We always tell people that we are doing everything that we can, okay, to keep the company safe. Okay, we are doing everything that we can to show that the company is actually doing the work that we say we are doing. Okay, so let me just try to summarize this entire meeting, okay, in 4 points. Okay, so this meeting has been going on for the past 1.5 hour, but it can be summarized into 4 different points. Okay, so the first point is that
thank you.
Yeah, so the first point is that we are registered as a company. Okay, and we don't just say that we are registered, right? We actually show you how to find this registration information. Now, the second point is that we are regulated by the SEC. Okay, and again, we don't just say that we are regulated. Okay, we actually show the actual information, how to find this information, and it's public access. Okay, so in this sense, we are very transparent in our information. We are not hiding any information, right? So anybody is available to access what we say. Okay, now the third point is that we do not lock your capital. Okay, now why we don't lock your capital? It's for a very simple reason. Okay, because we understand, okay, that in the market today, right, there used to have so many companies that come in of the market and then they go out of the market and then they take all the money with them, right? So the reason we don't lock your capital is to give our clients a sense of security, right? Your own money, you should be able to withdraw, correct? So this is what makes us safe, okay? Because we are regulated, we are registered, okay? Your capital is always free for withdrawal at any time, okay? And we pay you on a daily basis, right? We don't say that we pay you maybe 1 week later or 1 month later, right? We pay you on a daily basis. So you actually get paid on top of your capital. Your capital is guaranteed, by the way, okay? On top of that, right, you are earning profits, okay? Now, I don't know of any company out there, okay? If you know any company out there that does this exactly what we're doing, okay, let me know, because I will also be very interested. Okay, I don't think there is a financial firm out there that don't lock your capital, okay, and pay you on a daily basis with the payout percentages that we currently have, okay, and still, right, they show you all of the information, they show you the system, okay, and they actually show you basically what they're doing is real, right? So I give you an example, okay? Now, a lot of leaders, they like to come to me and say, hey, you're showing you all this, but it just doesn't make me feel good, okay? So, the thing I like to say to some of these leaders is this, right? You can go to a bank or a financial institution, okay? Now, when you buy a investment product from a bank or any investment firm, and you tell them, okay, you tell the investment firm, I want to see your system. Okay, will the financial firm show you their system? If you go to the bank, will the bank show you their system? Correct? Some of my leaders even say, I would like to see your financial account. Show me your financial accounts, right? Now, if you go to the bank and you say, hey, bank, I want to see your financial accounts, you think the bank will give you the financial accounts? Okay, so we understand, okay, that there is a certain fear because of other companies coming in and coming out and people has lost money. Okay, so my bottom line is this, right? What we are offering, okay, we have shown everything. Okay, we have shown our registration information, our regulation information, we've shown our system, we've shown the profits, we've shown that you can withdraw your capital. The bottom line is this, all right? If you don't feel good, don't do it. I don't force people to come in, okay? Our system is good, but if you don't feel good, don't come in, right? Trading is trading has risk. Okay, when you trade the financial market, when you trade Forex, when you trade stocks and shares, when you trade crypto, everything has risk. When you open a business, right, there is also risk. You know, some leaders ask me, why you don't guarantee that you will be around for 5 years or 10 years? And usually I like to ask the leaders, okay, if you open a restaurant, if you open a business, okay, can you guarantee me that your business will last 5 to 10 years? Guarantee? Don't close? No one can guarantee any business will last, right? What we can do is that we can minimize the risk as much as we can. Okay, and if something doesn't feel good to you, don't do it. Okay, it's very simple. If you don't feel safe, just don't do it. Right? So if you have any questions, okay, I recommend that you ask them, okay, because asking questions is very, very important, okay, so that you get to understand the entire business very carefully and you make your own educated decision, okay? Now, we are all adults here, so I believe that we're able to think for ourselves. Jean, can you go ahead and unmute yourself? I see you raising your hand.
Yes, thank you. As you are offering trading services, wouldn't your company be required to have the CRD number, as all the brokers who do publicly give out their services do need such?
Okay, which country are you from, Arjan?
I'm from Finland.
You're from Finland. Okay, so
Yes.
you are requesting us to have this CRD number in Finland, or you are requesting
No. But as you are registered to USA, so it's US company. So when the US company provides trading services or whichever that kind of, then I think that the company should have the CRD number.
Okay,
I may be wrong. You can correct me.
So I would like to explain this. Okay, this is a question that is usually asked by some of my leaders. Okay, when they go into the SEC and then they see the sale of unregistered securities. Okay, now let me try to explain this in a way that people will understand. Okay. There are two kinds of trading. Okay, there are two kinds of securities. Okay, in the financial markets today. Okay, we are dealing in crypto. Okay, we are dealing in crypto, and the money that you have right now in your wallet and in your bank account, okay, is called fiat currency. Okay, fiat currency is issued by a national government. Okay, cryptocurrency inherently has no value. Okay, because it's not issued by any government. It's decentralized. Okay, CRD numbers, okay, applies to securities, okay, which are registered. Okay, which means that it has to be issued by a competent authority. Okay, not unregistered securities like crypto. Okay, crypto falls under the category called unregistered securities. Okay, so unless you are dealing in fiat currency, okay, then you will need to apply for such permits. Okay, because fiat currency is issued by national governments. Okay, you don't want to play around with fiat currency. Okay, so that's why we are dealing in crypto, and that's why we are paying in USDT. USDT is crypto. Okay, USDT is not USD. Okay, although it's worth USD 1-to-1. I hope that answers your question, Ajahn.
Yes, that's what I was looking for. Thank you very much.
Thank you, John. Okay, Rowena, you still have a question, Rowena?
I'm good. Thank you so much for your explanation. Yeah. I am just thinking of what gonna come up from my downline. That's why I wanted to be very clear about this one. Thank you so much.
Problem. Thank you.
Okay, Carissa, you have a question? Carissa?
Okay. Thank you for your time. Good evening, everyone. I'm so excited after I see your explanation. All the explanation is very good. So now I just want to talk about withdrawal. Once I join, I send my USDT to the the company wallet, right?
Yes.
My question,
so when you
my question,
ahead.
If I want to do my withdrawal, I send my dividend to USDT wallet and need T plus 2 days, right? T plus 2 days, right? So that means my withdrawal will approve from by company. Is it like that,
yes.
Mister?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, so not immediately come to my USDT wallet, so need approved by company, right?
Yes, because we
Yeah,
need to
yeah.
make sure that everything is SEC compliant.
Okay, I just want to ask this question. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Overall, everything is very, very perfect.
Okay. So I would like
Okay.
to add on to what Carissa says. Okay. Even though there is a T+2, okay, what most members do, okay, let me share with you a secret, okay, with everyone here. All right. So you're very lucky you attend a Zoom today, okay, because I'm sharing a lot of secrets. Okay.
Yes, I'm lucky.
What most members do, okay, in order to get paid every single day, okay, because you need T+2, right? You need T+2 for any withdrawal request. So today, if you request a withdrawal, T+2 later, you will receive the withdrawal. So what usually members do is they request withdrawal every single day. So today they request, tomorrow they request, day after they request, and then each withdrawal will take T+2. So then once the first withdrawal T+2 has passed, okay, now the second withdrawal also will pass. So every single day, then they will get paid every day. So this is what they do. Every day they have to log into the system to request a withdrawal. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay. Understand. I get it.
Okay.
I get it. Thank you, Mr. Simon.
Thank you.
All right, we have a Dr. Bijilanga from South Africa. Dr. Bijilanga?
Okay, go ahead.
Good afternoon.
You need to unmute yourself, Dr. Lange.
Okay, thank you. Yes, I was unmuted and I was muted. Sorry. Yes, good afternoon to all our seniors that are present and all the leadership that is here all over the world. You know, on a daily basis, as to clarify, you know, my advancement, especially when it comes to the knowledge of trade. I have experienced, you know, a bit of great revival, and thank you to you, Mr. Simon Lee, and also Mr. Alfredo, you know, who took me through that confidence in that very day. And I see a great response on our side, and we are ready to also have our own, you know, Zoom, so that we bring in leaders on that Zoom. Then we can be assisted, you know, on things in particular. So for me personally, I've gained much, but what I want to, you know, maybe clarify in regard to, because I wish that I could see, you know, this that you are doing in regarding to you showing someone, you know, a real time, you know, trade in a matter of split of a second. To be honest, we long that you could do it as far as Africa, please, Mr. Simon Lee. And then obviously, for me, I was saying to my upline that I don't have much questions because I do my own investigation on the site. The only question I asked, which I believe it was also asked today, was that one of the lifespan of the business. And you answered almost the same way you did answer me. You know, I would be, can I be forward and so that I can also challenge you that, you know, most companies starts in July, August, and they disappear in December. And, you know, that is a trend, and it's something which happens. And, you know, I would be, if I may ask you, you know, I would be delighted to see us with Trudge, you know, hitting another. As much as we don't know what business will have for us in the next coming 6 or 12 months, what is it that we need to do to carry this business from December, where all of us have a trauma, and you know, it's a trauma. I spoke to leaders here. I'm bringing leaders of leaders who are having hundreds of people who will come on board and just buy. But the question they ask, they say, no, Langa, are you not bringing us to something which will move in December? how can we tackle that kind of a question, whereby it's a trauma? It's like people are waiting that, oh, maybe we'll work right now in December. So what can we do? I need you to, I'm challenging you just to work on that question and see what guarantee can we, not even a guarantee, even if it's a warranty, just to say, you know what, as much as we don't know the future, but we are here, and we are here declaring that, it will be business as usual in December, when people have actually experienced, a great disaster and a great nightmare. So that will be my question, which I'm getting from multiple leaders that I would presenting before you, and a link will be done from your side, and we can have them on board. And I answered them the way you answered me, but I wanted something like, obviously we don't want to be existent for 6 months. Can we go beyond 6 months? Can we go beyond to a year, even if we know that we are not sure that we bear any future? You know why I'm saying this? Because this question, once it's answered, I can promise you it will keep other people at a certain level. So I'm asking with respect and love, Mr. Sai. I know that you are going to answer this one, as difficult as it can be. What is it that we can do to push this business beyond 6 months and 12 months?
Okay, so thank you for the question. Okay, so I believe, right, that a lot of leaders, they have a lot of concerns, right? Anywhere you are in the world, be it you are in Indonesia, be it you are in Africa, okay, or US, right? So I think most importantly, okay, for people who have this fear, right, of for previous companies that have entered the market, okay, and disappeared after 6 months, okay, is this, right? You have to understand that for any company to go wrong, okay, for any company to have problems, right, the main culprit is cash flow, okay? You cannot survive if your company's cash flow has problems, okay? All other problems are secondary, okay? All other problems can be solved, but if you do not solve your cash flow, okay, most companies will not survive. Now, currently, what we are currently have in this company, okay, our cash flow is very, very healthy, right? So like I mentioned before, okay, we are producing between 8 to 12% a day in profits, okay, and in contrast, we are paying out, okay, maximum at our maximum package 1.2%. Okay, this is also inclusive of all the rank dividends and the level dividends. Okay, now if we are not able to sustain that kind of cash flow, okay, then we are in trouble. Okay, but for now, okay, we are well within a healthy cash flow. Okay, versus what we earn from the crypto markets, okay, and what we are paying out, the percentage is between 75 to 76% that we are paying out, okay, and the company keeps about 25 to 26%, okay. So that leaves a healthy, okay, threshold in terms of cash flow, so that we are able to sustain ourselves in the long term. Okay, now a lot of other problems can happen, okay, and there are also a lot of other risks. Okay, one of the very common risks that people will ask is, what if you are trading, your volume is so big, right? If you are trading a lot of capital, okay, and people are compounding their interest, right? If people compound and everybody here compound their earnings, wouldn't you hit like 1 trillion in capital in like less than 5 years? Okay, now if you do the calculation, right, if any of us here do the calculation, this is actually true. Okay, but let me give you the real statistics. Okay, the real statistics is that people are not compounding their interest. Okay, so now if I'm giving you 120 per day, okay, and you have the choice to compound your earnings, or you have the choice to withdraw and go to a nice restaurant. Which one will you choose? Most people would choose to withdraw and go to a nice restaurant. Okay, so a lot of people are not compounding their interest. So right now, okay, based on our statistics, we don't have to worry that the accounts will get to a point where it's over compounded, okay, because it's not going to happen anytime soon. So like I said, right, there are a lot of other risks involved in this business. Okay, all we can do is to manage those risks the best we can. Okay, and then we move forward together, okay, as a company, right? So a little bit of motivation to everyone right here. Okay, the company is 4 months old. Okay, now a lot of people say that we are very new. We are 4 months. Okay, there's not a lot of assurance. Okay, but let me tell you this, right? A lot of leaders, okay, in the company today, all right? I have quite a handful of leaders already. Okay, those who have joined us since 4 months ago. Today, okay, some of them are millionaires. Okay, I will not say all of them because not all of the networks are run very quickly. Okay, but some of them are millionaires in their own right. Okay, so there are advantages to being a very new company. That being that it's very possible that you are the main mover for your market. Okay, now if you are the main mover for your market, wouldn't that be a tremendous advantage to you, right? Because no one else is doing it. Okay, so I would say to these leaders, right, put fear aside, right? Put fear aside, and if you want to achieve what you want to achieve, okay, if it makes sense to you, okay, go ahead, all right? If it doesn't make sense to you, then don't. Okay, now the leaders who have made it today, okay, are those leaders who saw our project, okay, saw our company, and says that this makes sense to them, okay, and they ran with it, okay, and today they are where they are today, okay, in 4 months. So I hope to see all of you here. Okay, all of you. I see a lot of names right here. Okay, over 50 of you right here. Right. I hope to see all of you. Okay, in the next 4 months. Okay, on my list of top leaders. Okay. So welcome to Trash Technologies. Any questions? Please forward them to your leader. Okay, and then they will forward them to me. Okay, if they need my assistance, I will be glad to assist any of you right here. Okay. So thank you all. I'll pass the Zoom back to my colleague Don. Don, you have anything to add?
No. I think this has been a very good and successful
Mr.
session.
Don, you was telling about the new upcoming package. So do you have any further information?
Yes, I will send this to your respective leaders. Those that have an account, you can also log into your account and download it from the memo section. All right. I will pass this information down to the respective groups. All right.
Okay, I have one question about KYC. Okay, please explain about KYC. Because if we do the KYC, the withdrawal is only 24 hours or 1 day. If do not do KYC, 2 days. This is correct or not?
Yes. So for those that have done and verified their KYC, okay, all the T+2 process that you see that we have explained just now, all the T+2 will become T+1. Okay, everything else will still be the same. There is no special restriction or withdrawal amount. There's no other restriction. Only T+2 becomes T+1 after you have completed your KYC. Okay?
That's good.
Yes. So please do your KYC.
Halo, Assalamualaikum Master Crypto. Mr. Anwar.
Go Akan, you join now. Very good. Welcome.
Welcome to Akang.
Okay.
Join.
Halo, Mr. Baha. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for coming this late because there is some activity. So can in this Zoom I have such as PDF to be read, Master Donsi?
Okay,
Hello?
I will send to you personally because today I just send link to join Zoom for Indonesia team because I not introduce any PDF because I want to all member my team at Indonesia join Zoom first. After that, I will be send all everything, including tonight I recording this and then I will send to you.
Okay, thank you so much. Hello, greetings, Mr. Donsi. I am Akang from Indonesia. Thank you so much. Okay, nice to meet you.
Welcome Indonesia.
Thank you, Mr. Baha, Mr. Anwar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi.
All right, so Brother Don, I think we need to wrap up this session and already long time.
Yes, all right. Okay, so thank you everyone for staying with us for so long. If there's any question, please look for your respective leaders. They will come to me, okay? And I will also share the recording with all of you, okay? So you can go back and review again, okay? Thank you for your time. I'll see you at the next Zoom session, all right? Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Donsi. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, mate.